Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to find out your friend code on Steam. So what is Steam friend code? To quickly but securely invite new friends to your Steam friends list, you can share your Steam friend code. This is made up of a random string of numbers individual to your user profile that allows other Steam users to add you to their friends list without knowing your username. I'll show you guys how to get it. Open up Steam, click on Steam tab and select settings. On left side select account. This is your friend code guys. You can click on this add friends and you can also share the code to other peoples by copying it, and you can also enter your friend code to invite them to connect. Enter your friend code, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.